Okay, hello. So today is you can see the time first is November. Yes, November 27. Yes, afternoon. Now today we have one machine, CK6140 is doing the laser inspection. They are from the China Inspection Bureau Control System. It's a government office. They come here to do the inspection for each of the machine before we are shipping to the client. Yes, to inspect the accuracy using the Renishaw laser inspection machine. Okay, I'll show you for the machine right now. Yeah, this machines, all the parts have packed in the pallet, all the used parts. And right now is in the station. Machine is ready for doing the laser inspection. Yeah, you can see the bureau staff, the official is now doing all the parameters setting. Yeah, inputting all the parameters for the infilling speed, the accuracy, what they need, and then they will do the testing. Yeah, from here you can see the inspection machine. Yes, it's a Renishaw laser interfere. Yes. This machine is using the GSK control system, GSK 980TC3. Yeah, all the parameters have been set. It is waiting for the inspection. Yeah, only after the inspection by the inspection bureau, then we will do testing for the material. And if not pass the inspection, we will back to the inspection of our own company and reassembling again. Yeah, you can see all is on. For this is the turret is using eight positions.
这个油管，这个油管，费德米其林的，和马达克同款。
Yeah, for this we are using Michelin for the hydraulic pipe, oil pipe.